Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter 12, Music and Dances of India. So, children, open page number 65 and chapter number 12, Music and Dances of India. In this chapter, we will learn about different dances forms of India and types of Indian classical music. So, first we will discuss different dances from of India. India is a country of rich and varied culture. It is also a land of different forms of music and dance. In this chapter, we will explore the music and dance of India in detail. So let's start the class. Dances of India. Dances of India. In India, dance forms can be divided into two categories. Dance Dances of India divided into two categories. First is classical and second is folk dance. First is classical and second is folk dance. So, first we will discuss classical dance from of India. Classical dance forms of India. There are 8 classical dance forms of India. They are performed by both men and women. Classical dance forms are based on specific steps and poses. Let us know each of them in detail. So first is Bharatnatyam. First is Bharatnatyam. This is the picture of Bharatnatyam. Students, this is the picture of Bharatnatyam. This classical dance form originated in Tamil Nadu. Originated in Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is characterized by bent legs and series of hand gestures or mudras to convey a story. Second is Kathakali. This classical dance form originated in Kerala. This is the picture of Kathakali. Students, see the picture. This is the picture of Kathakali dance. This classical dance form originated in Kerala. Kathakali is mainly known for its colorful costumes, dramatic makeup, and elep- elaborated headgear. Next is Kathak. This dance form originated in Uttar Pradesh. Where? Uttar Pradesh. This dance form originated in Uttar Pradesh. The performers of Kathak usually narrate stories of Radha and Krishna through their movements. Yes, this is the picture of Kathakali. Next is Manipuri. This classical dance originated in Manipur. This classical dance from originated in Manipur. Colorful decoration, costumes, charming music, and gentle and soft foot movements are the main highlight of Manipuri dance. This is the picture of Manipuri dance, Manipuri classical dance. Colorful costume and makeup, colorful costume and makeup, charming music, and gentle and soft foot movements. Next, Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi originated Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi originated in Andhra Pradesh. This form of dance is a blend of dance, unique blend of dance and drama. In this classical dance form, the performers are required to be a talented singers as well as dancers. Yes, it is the picture of Kuchipudi dance. Next is Odissi. This is a classical dance from Odisha. This is a classical dance from Odisha. This is the picture. This is the picture Odissi dance. This is a classical dance form of Odisha. This dance form is unique because of its Tribanga posture. Tribanga posture. This posture involves three bends in the body at the neck, torso, and knees. Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam. This dance form originated in Kerala. This dance originated in Kerala. The performers of Mohiniyattam wear white saris along with rich gold borders. White sari. You can see here she is wear white sari and golden border. Golden border. Next, Satariya. Satariya. Satariya is a dance form of Assam. Satariya is a dance form of Assam. The performers of Satariya wear a dress made of silk produced in Assam with ornaments based on Assamese designs. Assamese designs. So children, in next video, next class, we will discuss about folk dance forms of India like this Bhangra, Garba, Kalbelia, Ghumar. So thank you students.